How do you stop audio playing in the background on Twitch application? Are you guys facing issues to turn off audio in the background of Twitch? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Twitch application on your mobile device. After you open the app, just simply log into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, click on your profile icon. After you click on your profile icon, look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see the setting icon over here. Tap on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options. Just simply tap on Preferences. After you click on Preferences, you can see this option for continue audio playing in the background. Now select this menu icon over here. After you select it, tap on Neighbor. Once you click on Neighbor, your background audio will be stopped playing into it. So that's it guys, that's how you're going to turn off audio in background of Twitch application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.